How to fix Instagram login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video we are simply going to be guiding you on how you can go ahead and then fix the login error that you get on Instagram, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, as I always mention, there are three most likely reasons why you're not being able to log into your account. One is if the Instagram servers are facing bugs, and then you have to simply wait for the update because that is from Instagram's side and there's really nothing you can actually do about it. So what you want to do is just come back and check whether or not Instagram app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. The other reason why this happens is your application is actually buggy. So in this case, what you can do is to fix this. First of all, we're going to exit out of it and then long press on the Instagram app icon here. Once you long press on it, you'll find the option called I button, which will take you to the app information page when you tap on it. When you come to the app info page, you have to go to the option called storage, clear the cache files, and also clear the data. When you clear the cache files and data, if you're already logged in and saved your password, it will delete those data and reset the application. And now you can go ahead and then open up and then try to log into your account. Now, if this doesn't help, the final reason why this happens is due to an incorrect credentials. So if you've been trying to log in with your incorrect username and password, you will not be able to log into your account. So if your Facebook account is also connected, you can try to log in with Facebook, or else you can just tap on the login button, go ahead and then reset your password by tapping the option called get help with logging in from the bottom of the screen in order to find your account and then reset your password accordingly. So these were the three ways and the three main reasons why you were not being able to log into your account. Just to revise to you guys, what I mean is that first of all, you have to check for the updates because it could be an issue from the Instagram servers themselves, and if their servers are down, you'll face this issue. The other is if your application is faulty, so in that case, restart your device, try to update it, try to clear the cache files, try to clear the data, and see if that helps. Last but not the least, your account could be restricted as well, and your account could also have the credentials issue, so you can go ahead and check that out respectively as well. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.